Hi everyone, thanks for watching this time-lapse on my YouTube channel. In this time-lapse we are making this beautiful golden retriever dog on Hahnemuhle velours paper. We are working with pastel pencils, and because of you can't erase on Hahnemuhle velours, I am using my sketch I made earlier on a normal paper with a transfer paper, so I don't have to erase, and the sketch is immediately good on the Hahnemuhle velours paper. I'm working with the pastel pencils of Faber-Castell and of Stabilo Carbatello. I'm using some of my color prints to check and if I use the good color. And when I start with working out, I start with the eyes. First start with a basic layer, and I'm using the soft pastels of the Stabilo Carbatello for that, because of Hahnemuhle it's really important that you use for the first layer soft pastels. Normally you are working with really soft pastels on this paper, but I'd like to try to work with only pencils. So like you see, I am building it up in layers. I start with the Stabilo Carbatello, and then I will work out with the Faber-Castell pits. And when the eyes are finished, I'm doing exactly the same with the fur. I first put on a basic layer. I'm checking really good the colors I see in the picture. I'm using also some green and some blue, and it's really nice to see how a color the coat of a dog is building up. And we are doing this all over again. I'm working step by step, like you see. First the eyes, then a little bit of the head, then the ear. After the ear I will start with the nose, and then I will continuing with the other ear to create the beautiful dog. Do you want to see this tutorial in real life? That is possible. I made this one special for my Patreon students. The link you find below or in my biography. For only €9.5 a month, you can watch this tutorial in real time, English spoken, and many others. I'm trying to make 2 or 3 tutorials a month for my students there, and if you have some suggestions, let me know and I will make it. Now the nose is almost finished, and you see already there is coming some more life in the portrait. It's really important that you are building it up in layer and take your time for this. This tutorial real time is total 5.5, 6 hours long, and I made it in 2 times, so it's not one long block for watching. You can stop it or you can watch it back. When the ear is almost finished, I'm starting with the neck. With this one I choose not to make the whole shoulder of the dog, because I think that's not important in this portrait. So I just make the neck and a little bit of the fur. Also, don't forget to subscribe yourself on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting me. I hope you like it, and have a really nice day.